Unpack and inspect the package after receiving it. Check each accessory. The machine body has been assembled. Small and easy to carry. Laser module. Power adapter. Data cable. Toolkit. Engraving materials. Goggles. Laser module installation demonstration. Magnetic eye protection cover. Place the module on the bracket. Insert the X-axis laser line into the module. Put an aluminum plate underneath to protect the desktop. 2 mm wood board. 2 mm focal block height. Turn the screws to secure the module. Plug in a power source. Insert the data cable. Connect to a computer. Search the DIMIFUN D9. Download the manual in your own language. If not, please contact the merchant. This machine is suitable for both software, free software, laser gripple, paid software, light burn. Here is an example of the paid software light burn. Try it free for 30 days. Please contact the merchant after expiration. Here is a tutorial to connect the software to the machine. Click on Devices, Manual Creation. Select GRBL. Give it a name you can remember. According to the working area of the laser engraving machine. Select the device you just set up. Double-click to activate. Choose your machine. Select part. If there are multiple parts, try connecting to each part individually. After the link is successful, the machine will reset. Try 2 mm wood carving. Drag the image using the mouse. Resize. Text editing. Right-click convert to bitmap. Right-click to edit image. Double-click to edit the layer. The faster you carve, the higher the speed should be. The deeper you carve, the higher the power setting. Preview engraving trajectory. Move the laser to the center. Select the engraving image. Click the border to preview the engraving range. Select the engraving image. Start. It is recommended to purchase and use with honeycomb panels. Very simple to operate. For more detailed tutorials, go to the website, YouTube search. If you have any questions, please contact the merchant.